I'm going to answer 4 questions about Adidas Terrex Hydro Lace boots for Ghyll and clough scrambling. Question number 1, what are they for? You'll see them variously marketed as being for general water sports or often specifically for canyoning. I've no doubt they are excellent for canyoning, but I'm going up, not down watercourses, and that means there are some limitations of the boots. Question number 2, what is good about them? Well, they are very sturdy. Clambering over slick, uneven, rocky surfaces brings with it a constant threat of ankle breaks, and the boots offer a decent amount of protection that goes well above the ankle and that holds you in pretty tight thanks to the combination of the laces, Velcro and strap fixtures. They are warm. You can't really see it, but there is a neoprene inner, which means that even in the dead of winter, and particularly if you combine these with neoprene socks, your feet are not going to get that cold. They're well made. I've had these for some months now, and you really wouldn't know it. Seams, materials are still all in good shape, and the uppers at least look like they would last for quite some years. They're comfortable. They are well padded, soles are well cushioned. And lastly, they are easy to get on and off thanks to this very large opening. Question number 3, what is less good about them? Well, they are clumpy. You will see there the word stealth on the side of the boots. However, they are anything but stealthy. You can feel like Frankenstein's monster stomping up the brook. And there is also a specific downside to that, because this huge toe end is not going to fit in the kind of small toe holds that you're often looking for when you're clambering up waterfalls or crumbly rock. You think of climbing shoes, they look like ballet pumps, and then take a look at this. They are not that grippy. You know, the holy grail for Ghyll scramblers is footwear that doesn't slip. These boots are better than many, but you are still going to find yourself slithering around on algae-covered rock. And I'm also concerned by how long these soles are actually going to last. Soles with better grip are soles that are softer and therefore soles that wear out more easily. These are not doing too badly so far, but one main reason is I don't use them as approach shoes. I only use them in the water. But that of course means that you have to carry these in your bag on the way in and on the way back, 1.2 kilograms each, and then have to carry the approach shoes on the scramble itself. Question number 4, what size should I get? Well, you are never going to forget what size you actually bought, because for some unfathomable reason it is printed in very large numbers on the side of the boot. I take a 10.5, and allowing for neoprene socks, I bought one size up. That fits absolutely fine. And finally, my overall verdict. They cost around 100 quid, and I'm pretty happy with them. I use them for most of my Ghyll and clough scrambles, but I would swap them out for lighter, smaller shoes for scrambles involving more difficult or more delicate climbing.